the truth.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ItzVenomYTX and today back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a channel banner for free in 2020 while using Pixlr. Because I know there's going to be a lot of YouTubers out there that's going to be needing a header or a channel banner for their YouTube channel. So this is the perfect video for you if you're trying to make a channel banner for your channel. So before we get into the video, make sure you drop a big thumbs up for today's video, because if you liked it, then make sure to drop a like. Let's hit 105 likes for today's video, because I know you're going to do it. The Venom mission is killing the game. And also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I help people to go on social media. I make troll content, and so if you're interested in those type of stuff, then make sure to subscribe with the notification bell so you won't miss anything I'll be posting in the future. And yeah, Venom mission. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is go to Pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, which will be also in the link down in the description box down below, because this is the site that we're going to make a banner for today's video. So right now, let's click create a new image, presets, width 2560 and height 1440, and then click the transparent. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it banner. Check the transparent box, click OK, and boom, it's also click this maximize button right here. Then boom, we're going to start making it right now. So go to Google first, channel banner 2560 by 1440, channel banner template. Oh yeah, channel banner template, I forgot. And then if you see this too, if you can see this, then click on this one. Just make sure just to click here, click save image as, and then just save it, whatever. So once you're done with it, then just go to file, then click open image, and then you can just go find the file where you can just go find the template and where you saved it to. So I saved it here, so I'm just going to find it and click on it, and then click open. Then boom, there we go, we have it. Just gonna minimize that, and also press Ctrl A to highlight, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. There we go. See, perfect size, easily perfect size, no worries or something like that. So what we need to do is click this drawing tool and just make it black right here. Nothing hard there, just make it black. Simple. Boom, it's all black now, right? See? And we can also add some thumbnail. We can also add some pictures on it now. So there we go. First we need to add some text on it. Let's add some text. For example, I'm gonna put ItzVenomYTX. We can use a different font for this one. You can go ahead and download fonts at thefont.com, but for this one I'm going to use my favorite font, one of my favorite fonts right here, Comica Access. I'm gonna click on that. I'm just gonna leave some space here, space on that, space on that, and let's try to make the text bigger. Let's make it like 80. It depends upon you, what's your preference. Put it whatever you want. So there we go. I'm gonna put this to white, click OK, put this to bold. I'm going to change this, the outer glow, we'll put that to black, hardness to 10, and maybe I'll put this to 10 either. Yeah, it's not looking bad. Yeah, I'll put it like that. Then boom, we're done with the text, right? As you can see, nothing hard about that one. And if you want, once you're done with your text, let's add some social medias. You know, why should we not? What if you have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Discord, something like that? We're all going to add some one right now. Twitter, logo, PNG, and then once you find one, just save it. And yeah, I'm going to pick the file right now. So right now, there we go. I just Control A to highlight, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. It's so big, like you can't see your text or anything. What you want to do with that is edit, free transform, and make sure to hold the shift button before you free transform, because if you don't press the shift button, it will mess up. So trust me, you don't want to mess up the proportion. So make sure to hold shift button. There we go. See, it's fine. Right there. Let me just put that on the side. I mean, it's not looking that bad as you can see. So yeah, I click enter, and then boom, we're done with the Twitter logo. We can also add some drop shadow. I decided to put one. I don't know, let me add some blue drop shadows. I mean, it's gonna look cool in my opinion. I don't know for you guys. And then distance. Oh, that's a fail, mate. God, that's a fail. Oh, that's nice. There we go. Oh, this looks dope. Wow. Okay. And now we can add some text again. My Twitter is quick plug Venom_YTX. That's my Twitter. Just a quick plug. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, Venom_YTX. Quick plug. Bold colors to white. And then boom. And I'm just going to copy this one. Copy the layer here. Copy layer style. Paste. Let's paste it there. Now let's rasterize that one. Make it a little bit smaller because, you know, we need to. And I'm going to fix this one a bit. Let's make it 5. Okay. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Boom. Not bad. It does look and suck, but let's see the outcome at the end. You never know. ItzVenomYTX. Let's rasterize that too. Okay. Make sure to make it cool, add some drop shadows and all those good stuff. And also, yeah, we're going to find some Instagram logo PNG right now. As you can see right here, there's a lot of Instagram logo transparent images PNG. Make sure to add PNG at the end to not have this white background. So make sure it's checkered too. So I'm going to go back to you guys and I'm going to find my Instagram logo. So I found mine right now, as you can see right here. Let's just minimize that. Control A, Control C, Control V. Make that big again. Easily. Edit, free transform. Hold the shift button. We already discussed about this thing. You already know that thing. And let's just make that a bit smaller, you know. Also, I forgot to say this. Merry Christmas to all of you. Yeah, just Merry Christmas, guys. Oh my god. What the heck just happened? Okay. I don't know what the heck happened. Family. Okay. Oh god. There we go. I guess it's not bad. Yeah. I'm just going to add another drop shadow on this one. Make this, I don't know, pink. Maybe. Let's see. Let's make that 15. It's not bad, to be honest with you. Oh crap, that's not bad at all. Free transform. Good. And we're gonna add another text. As quick plug again. ItzVenomYTX. You guys can see my face there. I don't normally put face cams in my videos, but comment down below if you wanna see me put a face cam soon. Make that bold. Make that bold, yeah. And same thing. Copy this one so you won't have to do any repetition. Just rasterize to make that, to edit that. Hold shift. Like, this is going a bit too fast. I'm sorry for that. I'm going to try to slow it down. Right there. And boom, now we're gonna add some text, you know. But we're gonna make this a bit bigger, you know. How many times did I say you know? Oh my god, you know. Let's make that a bit bigger with the shift button, okay? Shift button alert. Now we're going to find some backgrounds out now. Let's find some Galaxy wallpaper. I don't know. I mean, Galaxy wallpapers are fine, I guess. How about this one? I have this one already, so I'm just going to find it. What? Right here. Oof. Open image right there, as you can see. Oh, what the heck is this, Venom? Don't worry, you're fine. Oh, it's gone. I'm joking, it's still here. So Control A, Control C, again. Oh, there we go. I'm going to. Where did you go? Where did you leave? Oh, there it is. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, this is a mess now. Click this and then paste it. As you can see, it's not looking too good. So what you will do is drag this up right here. I'm pretty sure you need to drag this up or something. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Drag it there and then just make this bigger and then lower the opacity and then what is that? Click the drawing tool right here and then just black it again, because I made a big mistake there, but gladly I fixed it. And then boom, as you can see, we're back on track. Oh my god. And then you can make this opacity higher. Boom. Whoa. Gaussian blur that up a bit, and use saturation. We can change it. I'll put it somewhere here. I don't know. Yeah, put it there. It's not looking bad. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I mean, this looks dope. Not bad, I guess, to be honest with you. And also this one in the back. Yeah, I guess we're done with that. And donation, I'm joking. I'm gonna do the outro now, but this doesn't look as bad as I think it will be. Holy crap. I'm going to add some. Let's make it a bit cooler. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna mess it up. But yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. I know I made some big flops and mistakes, but I hope this is still helpful. This text is Comic Access. If you're interested in this text, then I will leave the link down in the description box down below. And yeah, and how to save this Venom? Go to File and click Save. JPEG, if you want it JPEG, no, make it PNG, so full quality, and name whatever you want. Then just click OK and save it whenever you want it to save. And so yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. And then I'm going to end of the tutorial there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell on, so you won't miss anything I'll be posting in the future. And also, thank you to you guys' support, and yeah, I'm going to leave it here. I don't even pretty much have anything to say, just a quick plug. My Twitter is on the screen right there. Please follow that if you want to stay up to date with me whenever I post a new video or any announcement, personal stuff, you know what I'm saying. And also follow my Instagram right on the screen. And so yeah, Venom, peace out.